customize your header in the Botiga WordPress theme, you can use the header builder feature. You can find this feature by going to Customize, Header, and click on Header Builder. There are 9 components available for the free version: primary and secondary menu, social, search, site title, button, contact info, HTML, and of course WooCommerce icons. And if you buy the premium version of Botiga, there are also extra components for you, like a secondary button, another HTML field, you can add shortcodes as well, a login link, and for multi-language websites you can use the Polylang language switcher or the WPML language switcher. You can add additional elements simply by drag and drop. Of course, you can rearrange them as you need. You can remove elements. Align them as you need. And of course, you can change the styling. Let's set the background color for the top row. You can change the number of columns, or even the height if you want. You can change the number of columns or their layout, like this. Of course, for any element you can click on it and you'll see the options available. Let's change the color here, for example. Like this. You can control the color and layout for each row. So right now I've selected the main row. Let's add something to the bottom row as well. Let's say a secondary menu, like this. Maybe let's add the HTML component as well. This can be any basic HTML you want. This. So again, the options for the columns, you just have to click on the column you want. It's right here. You can align it as I want. Of course, if I add more elements, so I have the search and the HTML, I can even stack them like this. Change the spacing between them. I can also change the vertical alignment of my column. So that's all regarding the desktop header. We also have options here for tablet and mobiles. So I'm just going to click here. You can see how my preview changes. I can configure an off-canvas menu, which opens like this. Of course, with its own options. So I can, for example, add some color here, some different color here. You can see here. Just close this. So just like on the desktop header, I have 3 rows available here as well. Just set this to 2 columns, for example. So I'm going to put the search here. And I'm going to put the WooCommerce icons here. Let's add a different color for the background. this. So I can make any kind of changes I want.